Hello friends, today I am unboxing this hunting blind here. So this is pretty cool. It should be like a pop-up type deal. So it comes with this nice bag, first of all, with this carry strap on there, so you can just throw it over your shoulder and walk around with it. That's super easy. Right, so it has some instructions there. Set that right here. And basically just comes out of here like this. There we are. Okay, it has this little belt around it right here. Let's pop that off. And then take this bag off like that. All right. So it has a box of like tent pegs in here as well. Okay, so yeah, it's a little bag here. And it has some pegs. Some tent pegs and string in here so we can tie this down if need be. Okay, so to set this up, it pretty much has this main, let's see, you find your middle one. I believe that is the top one right here. And this basically just, you pull this up. You kind of have this, you have this string right here. So you pop it up while pushing those other ones down. Let's see if I can get it like this. There we go. That inverts like that. And then same thing with this other ones. Just start pulling them out here. Grab this other string, pull it out. Just like that. And then we have another one right here. Boom. Just get your hand in here. Just kind of brace it and pull it out. So super easy to set this up. Same thing on this side. Just gonna grab this and pull it out. Boom. And we have one more in the back here. Grab this and pull it out. All right. So that's pretty sweet. This has zippers on the sides here as well. So you can zip this down and together if you want to. And it's pretty heavy duty zippers on here. And it also has these little blind things on the side. So literally you can't see anything in there. If I were to go in there and hide, you are not going to be able to see me in there. So I'm just going to go in there real quick. And actually this has these zippers here that zip up on both sides. And then this part can just be like pushed up here if you want to walk in like that. So you just walk inside. But I'm going to go inside here right now. And yeah, you cannot see. You're basically invisible once you're in here, which is pretty cool. And then if I want to poke out, boom, I have these little zipper things on the side, so I can open this up and look out right here. Or if I want to take a shot right here from here, my hunting blind, then I can do that. And these just zip up pretty quietly. You can't really hear them. And then that just totally encloses that. There's the cat right there. And then if I want to go out, again, I can just push this open, let myself out, then I can zip that down. Let's take a look from the inside here, and you guys could just see how it is from there, from looking. All right, here we are on the inside. It's kind of flashing. I don't know what my screen is, but you can see it's trying to figure out like, hey, what's it trying to focus on? But you can see like all around me, it's basically, I'm invisible and the cat can't see me. I can see the cat just fine. You can see that. Thomas, hey, Thomas, Thomas. So he can't really see me though. So Thomas, Thomas. But like I said, it's super easy to see out of this. And then here's what I'm gonna show you is these openings. These not on a zipper, it's just on the fabric here. So if you move it slowly, there's like almost no sound at all. And these are on all sides. So I can just open that up or down, and then we can take a shot from anywhere we want. If we wanna look through here, just like that. So that's really cool. These zippers, like I said, are like heavy duty. I can just pull one side down and zip it up and down. These seem like super strong. And then it also has these little Velcro things here too. You can put these over that, hold these in place. This has like a metal hub here, and these things seem, everything's like really like double stitched here on that, and it has these strong like canvas pockets, or these almost like seat belt like material that's holding these in place. And so yeah, seems like really cool. I'm gonna actually go take this into the woods there, and we'll see how like invisible it is. But it also has a little pocket right here you can put stuff in. Yeah, all in all, guys, this is just a really cool hunting blind. So let's go check it out in the woods. Also, if it is windy, where you put your tent pegs, right down here in the corner. So this is also like a reinforced thing here. We can just pound that in right here, and it's gonna keep your thing from blowing away. This has kind of like a solid roof to it as well. So if it is raining, it's gonna protect you from the elements pretty good, as well as the wind doesn't seem to get in here very well at all either. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go put this in the woods kind of, and have my son kind of walk by and see, and not know where I'm at, and see if he can like spot me or whatever. All right, and the takedown for this is fairly simple as well. Like you can see how easy it is to set it up, and then you basically just reverse that and just push in on the center here. Hey, no. Oh boy, cat ran in there. Thomas, get out of there. Okay, so we would just press in on the center until it kind of collapses in, just like that. So you could step on this bottom portion, and that'll kind of help it collapse in. And give yourself a little bit of a grip there, and just kind of push in on it, just like that. Super easy. Same thing, just kind of push in. And we have the one more right here, and I'm just gonna push in on that. Okay, so those all kind of just collapse. I guess we can have this zipper up. I don't know if it helps or not. And then finally, we just push in the top portion. Just like that. Okay, and then these should just all kind of fold up nice and easily. And then we just put it in the bag. All right, so we need to find our little tag there. Had the strap on it. That way we can hold this together. There it is right there. All right, so now that we found that, you just kind of wrap this around there. Just like this. If there's some parts that are sticking out, you can just kind of tuck them in there, just kind of roll it in there. And you can also open this up a little bit more if you want. Just till it gets to that. Simply just put that in there, and then you can kind of snug it down too if you want to. It's very simple. And then we just set this in the bag. Just like that, and this pulls up around it. So this is really easy to set up and put away. No tools necessary. Just slide it up into the bag here. And then we're ready to go. Get my tent pegs and everything. So I'm gonna go set this up in the little woods area and then see if my son can find me in there. May have a little surprise for him. He's over here. We heard him. In the middle of the field. He's gonna be like right out in the middle. He's down here. Duck under the shrubbery. Yeah. Definitely like right there. He's in there. He's in there. He's totally in here. Okay, so I'm in the little shelter here. I'm waiting for the boys to see if they can find me. So I'm gonna go hide in here real quick. Okay, so I got a little surprise for them when they come. Got my little gel blaster in here, so when they walk by, I can ambush them. See if I can let them know I'm here. All right, I think I hear voices. There's a trail over that way. See where they're coming from. You can see them like in the woods here. I hear them. They do have some gel blasters as well, but let's see if we can take them down. Oh, I see them. I see him. He doesn't see me though. There they are, right there. Okay, we're bulletproof in here.
Why'd you put it in the worst spot?
I couldn't go back into the bushes.
Huh?
I couldn't go back into the bushes.
That's actually pretty nice.
Yeah.
I thought you were shooting for a second.
How can you think he's not shooting? Dance, buddy. If they were deer, I would have got them. Okay, friends. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. Ah, I'm under fire.